I'm sure you've heard the news. Text data is now decoded at lightning speed. Natural language processing, or NLP, is revolutionizing how we interact with machines by enabling them to understand human language. So, you might be wondering, what exactly is NLP? Imagine teaching a computer to understand not just the words we say, but what we mean when we say them. It's like having a super smart friend who can read between the lines, catch the tone of your texts, and even predict what you might say next. NLP isn't just about translating languages or correcting grammar, though it's fantastic at that too. It's about making sense of the vast ocean of text data we generate every day. Think about your last chat with a customer service bot. Ever notice how it can detect your mood or understand your queries even if they're not perfectly phrased? That's NLP in action. These systems learn from tons of text data, kind of like how we learn from reading books or having conversations. They analyze patterns, identify key phrases, and even grasp the context to provide relevant responses. For instance, when you ask Siri or Alexa to play your favorite song, they're using NLP to understand and process your request. But it goes beyond just personal assistance. Businesses are using NLP to sift through customer reviews to understand public sentiment, or to detect fraud in financial transactions by spotting unusual language patterns. And it's not just big corporations benefiting. Small businesses can use NLP tools to automate tasks, saving time and money. One of the coolest things about NLP is its ability to evolve. As we feed it more data, it gets smarter. Imagine a system that not only understands your words but also the intent behind them, your emotions, and even cultural nuances. But like any tech, NLP has its quirks. It's still learning to handle the complexity and richness of human language. Sarcasm, humor, and regional slang can sometimes trip it up, but researchers are working tirelessly to bridge these gaps. At its core, NLP is about making technology more human-friendly. It's transforming how we interact with our devices, making our digital experiences smoother and more intuitive. So next time you chat with a bot or get a spot-on recommendation, you'll know. It's all thanks to the magic of natural language processing. And remember, this is just the beginning. With continuous advancements, who knows what incredible feats NLP will achieve next? The future is bright, and it's filled with conversations powered by NLP. Pretty cool, right?